This concentrate-based outdoor cleaner is popular with homeowners because it quietly erases moss, mold, mildew, and algae stains without any scrubbing or pressure washing. The simple mix and spray application using a standard garden sprayer makes it easy to treat roofs, decks, siding, walkways, and other exterior surfaces in one session. Instead of instant but harsh results, it works gradually with rain and weather, which helps restore surfaces over time while being gentler on materials. Users who are cautious about strong chemicals appreciate that it is free of bleach and acids, yet still handles both green growth and long-established dark staining. A single container makes several gallons of solution, so it can cover a large area such as driveways, patios, and multiple outdoor structures before you run out. Because it cleans deeply rather than just brightening the surface, many people find that treated areas tend to stay clear of regrowth for many months with only occasional reapplication.